0x80d06802. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After that, restart your computer. After entering all commands, restart your computer.
If that didn't work,
Open Start and type Microsoft Store. Right-click Microsoft Store and click on App Settings. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Run SFC and DISM scans. After entering all commands, restart your computer. It will take few minutes.
if that didn't work,
Open Start and type WS Reset. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.